Decimals. It is shown as a dot or point, say each figure after the decimal separately. This will be read as 0.99 and not 99. It will be read as 6.55 and not to say 55. It will be read as 55.657. The figure 0. The figure 0 has different names in English. 0. It is used in precise scientific, medical and economic contexts and to talk about temperature. It was 10 degrees below zero last night. 0 inflammation, 0 growth, 0 profit. Nil. It is used to talk about the score in a team game. The final score was 1-0. 1-0. The doctors rated her chances as nil. Nought. It is used to talk about a number, age, etc. 8,000 is written with 3 knots. The car takes its speed from 0 to 50 in 10 seconds.